And one of the world's biggest meat producers is getting into the plant-based craze. Tyson Meats is producing a line of mixed protein alternatives, but the range is not vegan friendly. It follows the IPO of Beyond Meat, which currently has a market cap in excess of $8 billion. Paula Monica joins me with the latest in this craze. Is it a trend or is this a phase that's going to fizzle out? I should say.
Yeah, I don't know, Allison, if I would say that the trend towards consumers eating more of these plant-based foods is a fad, but the stock prices of a company like Beyond Meat and maybe now others like Tyson trying to ride the wave, that could definitely be a bit of a Wall Street bubble, if you will, because there's so much attention on Beyond Meat, which isn't making money yet. Impossible, which is raising more money. They have a partnership with Burger King that's been widely publicized. So there's a lot of hype about this that's led to some pretty crazy valuations. But I think consumers clearly want these types of meat alternatives, and that's why you're seeing Tyson do this with a bit of a hybrid, because as you mentioned, there are egg whites in there, so it's not completely animal-free the way that Beyond Meat's pea-based proteins are. And then you've even got KFC. I mean, the C stands for chicken. They're going to be doing vegan nuggets, testing that out in the UK with a fermented fungus as the protein.
A fermented fungus. Now, that is definitely a draw. But you see that these items on these menus for these fast food restaurants, they've got some staying power here.
Yeah, I think they definitely do. I mean, clearly Burger King has had success with the Impossible Whopper. Impossible, again, is the main rival to Beyond Meat. And Beyond Meat is also working with a lot of fast food companies, including Burger King's corporate cousin Tim Hortons, on a sausage patty, if you will, a breakfast sausage that is made from Beyond Meat's plant-based alternative. So I think fast food chains are clearly recognizing that consumers, particularly younger ones, more health conscious, also worried about the environment, want these types of things on the menu. And Beyond Meat, to its credit, also has the retail distribution too. You can go and buy their patties in a lot of stores. Impossible is still working on getting grocery distribution.
Okay, these items, though, they're expensive. When do you think the prices are coming down for these menu items?
Yeah, I think that's going to be a great point. As long as you have these types of food in such high demand, it's going to behoove, obviously, the companies to take advantage of that and keep prices high. So I wouldn't be shocked to see prices remain elevated for the foreseeable future. It's not going to be until you see more companies like Tyson getting into the business and Impossible being able to increase distribution before prices, I think, would really come down to a more reasonable level.